Hello students, we are studying the unit some basic concept of chemistry, and in which today's new point is mole concept and molar mass. Now first we see what is meant by mole. Expressing large count of object is made easy by using quantitative objects such as dozen, gross, but a small amount of any substance contains very large number of atoms or molecules. So for counting these we use a quantitative adjective, that is mole, to express the large number of submicroscopic entities like atoms, ions, electrons present in the substance. In short, mole is used to express the large number of microscopic entities or microscopic particles like atoms, molecules, ions, electrons present in the substance. So we can define mole as 1 mole is the amount of substance that contains as many particles as there are atoms in exactly 12 gram of the carbon 12 isotope. Okay. Now explanation for mole is, let us calculate the number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. The mass of one C12 carbon atom is equal to 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Now mass of 1 mole of carbon atom is 12 gram. Therefore, number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12 is equal to mass of 1 mole of carbon atom, that is 12 gram per mole, divided by mass of 1 carbon 12 atom, which is 1.992648 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram per mole. On calculating the amount 6.0221367 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram per mole. Thus 1 mole is the amount of substance that contains 6.0221367 into 10 to the power 23 particles or entities. Thus, 1 mole is the amount of a substance that contains 6.0221367 into 10 to the power 23 particles or entities. Particles are such as atoms, molecules or ions. Here one thing is noted, that the name of unit is mole, that is MOLE, mole, and the symbol is MOL, mole. Okay. For example, 1 mole of oxygen atom is equal to 6.0221367 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of oxygen. Another example is 1 mole of water molecules is equal to 6.0221367 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water. Another example is 1 mole of sodium chloride is equal to 6.0221367 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of NaCl, or formula units of NaCl. Now second term, molar mass. Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance, that is element or compound, in grams is called as molar mass. The molar mass of any element in gram is equal to the atomic mass of that element in U, that is united mass. Molar mass of any element in gram equal to the atomic mass of that element in U, that is united mass. For example, hydrogen having atomic mass 1.0 U and molar mass is 1.0 gram per mole or gram mole inverse. Next unit example is oxygen having atomic mass 16.0 U and molar mass is 16 gram per mole or 16 gram mole inverse. Similarly, molar mass of any substance existing as polyatomic molecules in grams is numerically equal to its molecular mass or formula mass in U. Example for this is oxygen. It's polyatomic, means diatomic. So 2 atoms are there, diatomic. One molecule of oxygen contains 2 atoms, so O2. Oxygen is diatomic substance having molecular mass 32.0 U and molar mass is 32.0 gram mole inverse, while that of H2O having molecular formula mass 18.0 U and molar mass is 18.0 gram mole inverse or gram per mole. Now molar mass of oxygen atom. Now atom is there. So 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms per mole into 16, which is the atomic mass. Atomic mass is 16 U per atom, that is unified mass per atom, into 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram per U. It gives the value 16.0 gram per mole. Means the molar mass of oxygen atom is 16 gram per mole. Last point of this unit is moles and gases. Many substances exist as gases, and if we find the number of moles of gas, we can do this more conveniently by measuring the volume rather than the mass of a gas. Chemists have deduced from Avogadro's law that 1 mole of any gas occupies volume of 22.4 dm cube at standard temperature pressure is known as molar volume. Okay, it means 1 mole of any gas which occupies a volume of 22.4 dm cube at standard temperature, where temperature is 0 degree Celsius and pressure applied is 1 atmospheric pressure, called as standard temperature pressure. The volume of 22.4 dm cube at STP, means standard temperature pressure, is known as the molar volume. The number of moles of a gas, small n, is equal to volume of gas at standard temperature pressure divided by molar volume of gas. Thus, the number of moles of gas N is equal to volume of gas at standard temperature pressure divided by molar volume is 22.4. Hence 22.4 dm cube mole inverse. Now number of molecules equal to number of moles into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules per mole. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is the Avogadro's number. So number of molecules can be calculated as number of moles into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules per mole. Here one thing is noted that IUPAC has recently changed the standard pressure, that is 1 atm to 1 bar. Under new standard temperature pressure conditions, molar volume of gas is 22.71 liter per mole or 22.71 liter mole inverse. So this is all about some basic concept of chemistry. Thank you.